The Fire TV Stick 4K Max doesn't have an HDMI input port, so connecting it to a soundbar might seem impossible. But there is actually a simple way to set up your soundbar to your Fire TV Stick and use your remote to control the soundbar volume. Let's see how it works. For that, make sure your soundbar is connected to the host TV through HDMI port. HDMI ARC is recommended to get some additional sound options. Now on your Fire TV Stick, open Settings. Then let's go to the Equipment control. Go to Manage Equipment. Select Add Equipment, and from this list of compatible devices, choose Soundbar. Now as prompted, make sure your Fire TV Stick is plugged into the power adapter instead of the TV's USB port. Then continue. Now select your soundbar brand from this compatible brand list. In our case, we're using Bose. Next, make sure the soundbar volume is turned up. Press Next. A test sound will start playing through the soundbar. The Fire TV Stick will prompt you to turn off the soundbar and then back on again. This is basically syncing the remote with the soundbar controls. Now, if the soundbar turns off and then turns back on successfully, just go ahead and press yes. If it doesn't work on the first try, press no, and you gotta just repeat the process to complete the cycle and come here. In our case, it worked on the second try. And after that, try adjusting the volume with the Fire TV remote. If the volume button doesn't work, press no, try again. You know the drill. Now once the volume controls work properly, press yes, and then confirm once more that the remote adjusts the sound correctly. Finally, press OK on the Setup Complete prompt. And that's it. Your soundbar is now fully set up with your Fire TV Stick, and you can even adjust the volume using your Fire TV Stick's own remote.